Welcome back, folks. Check it out. This is a 2012 Nissan Quest. This is the LE equipment package, so it's the top of the line. It's white diamond metallic with tan leather, 79,000 miles on a 2-owner unit, extremely well maintained throughout. Non-smoker, and the inside is like brand spanking new. Yes, it is loaded up with the dual panel sunroof, fully functional, power side doors, power rear gate, factory navigation, the widescreen, got the Bose system, dual sunroofs, second row buckets, power rear gate with folding away third row, rear sunshades, navigation backup cam, heated steering wheel, blind spot monitor. Got to be the best option on this car, folks. That blind spot monitor is going to let you see with everything on the side. 79,000 miles on this car, 2-owner unit, clean, free from all accidents. Beautiful white metallic paint. Guaranteed credit approvals in full effect on this LE. And this is a $995 starting down payment. Super nice van. Everyone's riding here. All power options. Get in it and go anywhere you want to go. Guaranteed credit approval program is in effect. $995 starting down. Easy qualifications. 2 paycheck stubs, possible bank statement, 1 hour of your time. Service contract included. That's 3 months, 4,500 miles over the drive line, and we're ready to sell this van. DasCleveland.com.